A graphics card renders images, improves gaming performance, and supports high-quality video and design work. My today's video is about top 5 best computer graphics card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MSI Computer Graphics Card. This MSI GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card represents next-level performance for gaming and professional workloads. Equipped with an enormous 32GB of GDDR7 video memory and a wide 512-bit memory interface, it delivers exceptional speed, smooth rendering, and outstanding multitasking capability. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games or working on demanding creative projects, this GPU handles everything with ease. With support for DisplayPort 2.1a and HDMI 2.1b, it ensures modern connectivity and compatibility with high refresh rate monitors and advanced display setups. The card also supports ultra-high resolutions up to 7680 by 4320, 8K, making it ideal for future-proof gaming, video editing, 3D rendering, and AI-driven applications. Overall, the RTX 5090 is built for extreme performance users who demand top-tier graphics quality, maximum frame rates, and cutting-edge technology. It is a powerful solution for gamers, designers, and professionals seeking unmatched visual performance and long-term reliability in high-end computing environments. Now our second product is Gigabyte Computer Graphics Card. The GeForce RTX 5080, built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, delivers a strong balance of next-generation performance and efficiency. Designed for gamers and creators, it provides smooth frame rates, improved ray tracing, and enhanced AI-powered upscaling for more realistic visuals and better overall performance in demanding titles. With 16GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and a 256-bit memory interface, the GPU ensures high bandwidth for gaming at high resolutions as well as heavy workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and AI applications. PCIe 5.0 support further boosts data transfer speed and system responsiveness, making it future-ready for modern PC builds. The WindForce cooling system with Hawk fan technology keeps temperatures under control even during intense gaming sessions, ensuring stable performance and reduced noise. Overall, the RTX 5080 is a powerful, efficient, and well-cooled graphics card that delivers excellent performance for high-end gaming and professional creative tasks. Our third product is ASUS Computer Graphics Card. This NVIDIA GeForce GPU, built on the Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, delivers strong next-generation gaming performance with advanced AI-powered rendering. It is designed for enthusiasts who want high efficiency and smooth frame rates even in demanding modern games and creative workloads. One of its standout features is its SFF-ready design, making it a great choice for small form-factor builds without sacrificing power. The compact 2.5 slot structure ensures broad compatibility with different PC cases while still maintaining effective cooling performance. The Axial Tech fans improve airflow with longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure, helping keep the GPU cool under load. In addition, the phase-change GPU thermal pad enhances heat transfer, reducing temperatures for more stable and reliable performance during long gaming or rendering sessions. Overall, this graphics card combines powerful performance, smart cooling technology, and compact design, making it an excellent option for high-performance small PC builds and modern gaming systems. Now number 4, PNY Computer Graphics Card. This NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPU delivers a powerful combination of gaming performance, AI acceleration, and creative capability. With DLSS 4 technology, it uses advanced AI-based rendering to significantly boost FPS, reduce latency, and improve image quality. Features like multi-frame generation, ray reconstruction, and super resolution ensure smoother gameplay and sharper visuals, making modern games more immersive and responsive for competitive gamers. NVIDIA Reflex 2 enhances system responsiveness by optimizing the graphics pipeline, reducing input lag, and improving reaction speed for better precision and control in fast-paced matches. Beyond gaming, this GPU is built as an RTX AI PC solution, accelerating AI-driven tasks across productivity, development, and everyday computing. It also shines in creative workloads through NVIDIA Studio support, delivering excellent performance for video editing, 3D rendering, and graphic design with stable, optimized drivers. Overall, this RTX GPU is a complete package for gamers, creators, and professionals who want cutting-edge AI features, high performance, and future-ready technology in one platform. And our last choice is ASUS Computer Graphics Card powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4. This GPU is designed to deliver cutting-edge performance with improved efficiency and AI-enhanced rendering. It provides smooth gameplay, high frame rates, and excellent visual quality, making it suitable for demanding modern games and creative workloads. The advanced cooling system is a major highlight. The quad fan design increases airflow and air pressure by up to 20%, ensuring better heat dissipation even under heavy load. A patented vapor chamber with a milled heat spreader further enhances thermal efficiency by keeping GPU temperatures lower and more stable during intense usage. In addition, the phase-change GPU thermal pad improves heat transfer between components, helping maintain consistent performance and long-term reliability. The large 3.8-slot design, combined with an extensive heatsink and fin array, is optimized to work with the 4-axial tech fans for maximum cooling efficiency. Overall, this GPU focuses on extreme cooling, stability, and high-end performance, making it ideal for serious gamers and professionals. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.